Breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. What we eat in the morning can influence how we feel, think, and move for the rest of the day. For the healthy seniors, breakfast isn't just a daily habit, it's a cornerstone of their long, active, and happy lives. Across different cultures, many seniors who live well into their 90s and beyond share one common trait. They eat nutrient-rich foods that support both their bodies and minds. These individuals often live in places known as blue zones, regions where people tend to live longer and healthier than average. And when it comes to breakfast, their choices are simple, wholesome, and packed with the right balance of protein, healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. In this video, we'll explore the breakfast foods that some of the world's healthiest seniors eat every day. These foods are easy to find, full of health benefits, and can be enjoyed in many different ways. Before we continue, please take a moment to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. It really helps more people discover the channel. Breakfast number 1. Chia seeds. They may be tiny, but chia seeds pack a massive punch when it comes to senior nutrition. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in your breakfast can completely transform how you feel throughout the day. First, they're one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, which supports heart health and helps reduce inflammation. Omega-3s are essential for brain function, joint mobility, and even mood regulation, all key areas that can decline with age. Chia seeds also contain a perfect balance of soluble and insoluble fiber. When mixed with liquid, they form a gel-like texture that aids digestion, regulates bowel movements, and helps stabilize blood sugar. For seniors dealing with sluggish digestion or constipation, chia seeds can be a gentle and effective remedy. They're also surprisingly high in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, 3 minerals vital for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Just 1 serving provides more calcium than a glass of milk, making it a fantastic option for those who are lactose intolerant or avoiding dairy. And don't forget about protein. Chia seeds are a complete plant-based protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids. This makes them a perfect addition for maintaining muscle mass and strength, especially in older adults who need more high-quality protein but want to avoid heavy or greasy breakfasts. If you're looking for an easy, no-cook breakfast that supports your heart, brain, digestion, and bones, chia seeds are the way to go. 2. Buckwheat. Buckwheat may look like a grain, but it's actually a seed from a flowering plant related to rhubarb. Despite its name, it contains no wheat or gluten, making it a safe choice for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. In many cultures with high rates of healthy aging, buckwheat is a staple breakfast item. For example, in Japan, soba noodles made from buckwheat flour are commonly enjoyed, while in Eastern Europe, buckwheat groats, known as kasha, are boiled into a hearty porridge. One of buckwheat's greatest benefits is its positive effect on blood sugar. Unlike refined grains, buckwheat has a low glycemic index, meaning it doesn't cause sharp spikes in blood sugar levels. This is especially helpful for older adults managing type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. It's also rich in soluble fiber, which slows digestion and helps you feel fuller longer. Fiber supports digestive health and helps prevent constipation, a common issue among seniors. Another standout compound in buckwheat is rutin, a plant antioxidant that improves circulation and strengthens blood vessels. Rutin is known to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which contribute to age-related conditions like heart disease and arthritis. Buckwheat may also help lower LDL or bad cholesterol, supporting overall heart health. It's incredibly versatile too. Many seniors and long-living populations enjoy it boiled with water or plant milk, topped with fresh fruits, nuts, or seeds. Others mix buckwheat flour into pancakes or crepes for a fiber-rich alternative to white flour. Its slightly nutty flavor makes it a satisfying base for both sweet and savory breakfast dishes. For older adults looking to sustain energy levels without the crash from sugary cereals or white bread, buckwheat is an ideal choice. It provides slow-burning energy thanks to its blend of complex carbohydrates and protein. And with essential minerals like magnesium, manganese, and copper, buckwheat supports nerve function and bone health, two areas that naturally decline with age. 3. Fermented soy, like miso or natto. Fermented soy products, especially natto and miso, are secret weapons of longevity, particularly in places like Okinawa and mainland Japan. Let's start with natto, a sticky, pungent fermented soybean dish that's been eaten for centuries. It's one of the few foods that contain vitamin K2, which plays a crucial role in directing calcium into your bones and away from your arteries. This means stronger bones and cleaner blood vessels, two massive wins for seniors. Natto also contains nattokinase, a natural enzyme that supports heart health by reducing blood clot formation and improving circulation. For seniors concerned about stroke or blood pressure, this is a game-changing food. On the other hand, miso, a savory fermented paste made from soybeans, is packed with probiotics that support gut health. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to better digestion, immune resilience, and even improved mood and cognitive clarity. Despite being high in sodium, studies have found that miso doesn't raise blood pressure in the same way processed salt does. This is likely due to its high potassium content and beneficial compounds formed during fermentation. If you're new to fermented soy, start slow. Add a teaspoon of miso to hot water or try natto with a bit of mustard and rice. Your gut and your heart will thank you. 4. Nut butters. Nut butters have become breakfast staples around the world, but for the world's healthiest seniors, they've long been a trusted source of nutrition. Whether it's almond, walnuts, peanut, or even cashew nut butter, these spreads pack a punch when it comes to beneficial fats, protein, and essential micronutrients. Just a small serving delivers long-lasting energy, making nut butters a smart and satisfying way to start the day. Seniors often favor nut butters because of their high content of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, the good fats. These help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and raise HDL, good cholesterol, which is vital for heart health. Regular consumption of nuts has been linked to reduced risk of heart disease and stroke, two of the top causes of death in older populations. Nut butters are also rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune health and protects cells from damage. This is crucial as the immune system naturally weakens with age. Vitamin E also promotes skin elasticity and hydration, important for aging skin. They're loaded with magnesium and potassium, two minerals that regulate blood pressure and support proper muscle and nerve function. Magnesium deficiency is common in older adults and can contribute to fatigue, muscle cramps, and irregular heartbeat. Nut butters also offer a healthy dose of protein. While they're not a complete protein like eggs or dairy, they still provide important amino acids that help preserve muscle mass, critical for maintaining mobility in older adults. And thanks to their omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids, nut butters also support brain health and mental clarity. Paired with whole grain toast, oatmeal, or fruit, they're an easy and delicious way to stay full, energized, and sharp throughout the morning. 5. Oatmeal. A classic breakfast that never goes out of style. Oatmeal is a cornerstone of many seniors' diets around the world. But don't let its simplicity fool you. This humble bowl is a nutritional powerhouse. Oats are packed with beta-glucan, a special type of soluble fiber that forms a gel-like substance in the gut. This slows down digestion, keeps you full longer, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. For seniors at risk of type 2 diabetes or cardiovascular disease, that's a huge win. Beta-glucan also helps remove excess cholesterol from the bloodstream, lowering LDL cholesterol and reducing the risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Oats are rich in avenanthramides, unique plant compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that protect blood vessels and reduce arterial stiffness, two common issues with aging. Oatmeal is also a great source of magnesium, which helps relax blood vessels, improve sleep quality, and support muscle and nerve function. The beauty of oats lies in their versatility. Whether you prefer them cooked, soaked overnight, or blended into a smoothie, they adapt easily to different tastes and textures. Seniors often notice better digestion, more stable energy, and even improved mood when oats become part of their regular morning routine. 6. Berries. Whether it's blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, or blackberries, these tiny fruits deliver an enormous impact on health, especially for seniors. Berries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful plant pigments responsible for their deep colors. These compounds act as antioxidants, protecting brain cells from oxidative damage and slowing age-related cognitive decline. In fact, multiple studies have found that seniors who eat berries regularly show slower memory loss and maintain sharper thinking skills compared to those who don't. Berries are also rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber, supporting immune health, bone strength, and digestive regularity. Their low glycemic index means they won't cause sugar spikes, making them an ideal fruit choice for older adults managing blood sugar or insulin sensitivity. And if you're dealing with inflammation, whether from arthritis, autoimmune conditions, or general aging, berries are natural inflammation fighters. They've even been shown to help reduce blood pressure and improve arterial function. Adding a handful of berries to your oatmeal, smoothie, or chia pudding is a small habit that can make a big difference in your brain and body health. 7. Pineapple. Bright, juicy, and bursting with flavor, pineapple is more than just a tropical treat. For many healthy seniors, it's a refreshing part of their morning routine. What makes pineapple truly stand out is bromelain, a natural enzyme that helps the body digest proteins more efficiently. As we age, our stomach's acid production can decline, making digestion slower and less effective. Bromelain helps ease this process, reducing bloating and indigestion after meals. But bromelain does more than aid digestion, it also has natural anti-inflammatory properties. This is especially important for seniors with joint pain or arthritis. In fact, studies show bromelain can be as effective as certain anti-inflammatory medications in reducing swelling and improving joint function, but without the side effects. Pineapple is also rich in vitamin C, an essential antioxidant that boosts immunity, supports collagen production, and helps the body repair damaged tissues. Collagen is vital for skin elasticity, joint health, and maintaining the integrity of blood vessels. And for older adults dealing with age-related vision changes, pineapple provides beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A, important for maintaining healthy eyesight. Another underrated benefit? Pineapple's natural sugars, paired with its fiber content, provide a gentle energy boost without spiking blood sugar levels, making it a smart fruit choice even for diabetics, in moderation. If you experience morning stiffness, digestive issues, or fatigue, incorporating pineapple into your breakfast could offer a natural and delicious solution. So, there you have it, 7 powerful breakfast foods that are not only delicious but deeply nourishing for anyone over 50. These aren't trendy superfoods or miracle pills. They're everyday ingredients that people in the world's healthiest regions eat regularly, and the results speak for themselves. Remember, your breakfast doesn't have to be complicated, but it should be intentional. Because what you eat in the morning sets the tone for your brain, your heart, your joints, and your entire day. Start small. Maybe just add a handful of berries to your oats or stir a spoonful of chia seeds into your smoothie. But over time, these habits stack up. And before you know it, you're not just eating breakfast, you're building a longer, healthier life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps more people discover these life-changing tips. And if you're serious about staying healthy and energized after 50, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I share new practical health insights every week, so you can feel stronger, think clearer, and age with confidence. And tell me in the comments, which of these breakfast foods are you already eating? Or which one are you excited to try? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live.